feeling out there? Woo-hoo! I'm feeling good too. Let's go. Let's get loony and longer. Woo! Okay, I'll keep on out one. Okay. Come on.
Stay safe, you wascally riders.
How's it been preparing for Ragbrai?
It's been real interesting. We've had 3 months to prepare. We had things set up last night and we were ready to go.
Quite a decoration coming into town with the corn and the paint. We haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, yep. That was all, the guy came and painted it last Sunday. Somehow it was all washed off yesterday morning.
Yeah.
They painted it all back on yesterday. Did an amazing job.
Great little town.
Yep.
Yeah, really neat.
We're glad to have you guys. It's been,
Great. Yeah.
it's been a real experience.